So Telegram can be banned in India due to many allegations like gambling, human trafficking, extortion, because the central government of India is investigating Telegram. According to them, Telegram is a hub for illegal activities like child pornography, stock price manipulation, terrorism, and the list can go on and on. This is the dark side of Telegram.
Russian founder of the Telegram messaging app, Pavel Durov, has been arrested at a French airport. Reports say authorities have been investigating a lack of moderators on the app, which they say allows criminal activity to take place.
No matter how many other messaging apps are out there, if all of them suck.
Telegram is the best messaging technology in the market.
We care about freedom. Cannot make messaging technology secure for everybody except for terrorists.
So the CEO of Telegram, Pavel Durov, was arrested in Paris on August 24, and the reporter said he was detained for failing to prevent criminal activities on the Telegram. Basically, he was not doing anything to prevent illegal activities on the app. And after this news, investigation has been started on Telegram in India too. And if government finds criminal activities, then Telegram can be banned in India.
But Telegram is facing trouble in India too. The central government is investigating the app for extortion and gambling. So the worry is the app, Telegram, could get banned in India.
Now let's talk about some serious allegations on Telegram. Terrorism. So Counter Extremism Project is a US-based non-profit organization who track global terrorism to prevent them. When they did a research about Telegram, then they found this. In 2015, ISIS in their Telegram group, they were discussing about which application they should use for their operations and which application they should not use, which are unsafe. So just see this poster. You can clearly see that Telegram at the top in the list of safe. This organization explained that how terrorists are using Telegram for everything from training to planning. This was just an example. There are so many such cases where terrorists use Telegram from planning to execution. And Telegram has been accused for promoting child pornography and human trafficking as well. So the Print did investigation and they found out that in this year, over 2000 Telegram groups related to child abuse were banned by Telegram. And that's not enough. Almost 53,000 groups banned in July and around 700,000 groups and channels banned in this year because of pornography and even human trafficking and drugs trafficking. And this is a big problem because criminals are using Telegram for selling drugs. Because of all of these allegations, Telegram is in trouble and Telegram can be banned in India. What do you think about this? Let me know in the comments. And if you want to look good, then check out my shop. You're really gonna find some amazing t-shirts and watches. So link in the description, just check it out. And if you like this video, then you're also gonna like this video about why Cristiano Ronaldo YouTube channel can't surpass Mr. Beast. Stay curious and I'll see you there.